your hands where I can see them. Got blood on it. Down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
I haven't been bad.
We'll set you up and I'll cover you up.
Please, oh.
May 1st, 2024. Watch how a late-night knock turns into chaos when a neighbor breaks a window and walks into the home.
Female right here. Got a female right there.
Just looked out the window.
Put your hands where I can see them. Put your hands where I can see them. Got blood on it. Down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground.
On the ground.
Flat on your face.
Their handcuffer. Their handcuffer.
I'm going inside the door for you guys.
All right, I'm right behind you.
We got her in custody. You got a completely new female here with blood on her. Is anybody else in the house?
No.
See there, she's got their blood. I don't have any gloves, guys.
All right. That's the apartment the lady just came out of. I mean the bedroom. So open that door. It's locked. Okay. That's the door the homeowner just came out of. Put your hands behind your back.
I really do not want to be here.
Yeah, something to cover up. Maybe that blanket. I ain't got no more. I got some in the car. Y'all got more gloves in? Y'all got gloves on y'all? I don't. Is this her stuff? What's it? I'm gonna cover him.
What's your name, man?
I have not done any drugs, sir.
What the hell are you breaking into?
I have not even done any drugs at all.
Nobody say anything about drugs, Mom?
I really haven't.
Where did you cut yourself?
I already told them on stage.
I just wanted to go home.
Where do you stay?
Right around here. I just wanted to go home.
Where's the homeowner? Oh, there you are. We couldn't get into your bedroom to make sure it was clear. It's locked, but it's got blood all over the door. So.
Oh, yeah, because I put the dresser behind the door.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And lock it.
What's your address, man?
Do you recognize her?
No, I don't know her.
Okay.
Like, I don't even recognize her for, like, living in one of these apartments.
Like I said, sir, I really haven't been
What's the numeric, ma'am?
northwest.
I know that. We got that. The northwest one for what number? Okay.
Okay.
What's the address of it?
What's the building number?
What's the building?
101.
That's the apartment
That's
number.
The apartment number. We need with the building. What's your address at the building?
101, sir.
All right.
Okay, what's your whole address? Like, if you had to call 911 for help, where would you tell
Yeah,
them
it's
to go?
101. We really haven't done anything bad.
Okay. What's your first and last name?
Haley, I have not done anything bad, sir. I really haven't. This side part hurts me.
Where are your clothes at, man?
They're inside, sir.
Huh?
Okay,
Well, that's why I threw the blanket
I
over.
haven't been bad.
we'll set you up and I'll cover you up.
Please, oh.
1, 2, 3, up. Stand up.
Stand up.
I really haven't
Okay,
been bad. Just please,
We're gonna sit down.
please inside.
Okay,
ma'am.
put your back
Can you
on
go
this wall.
inside with me, please?
No, we're not going inside. Okay, back on the wall. Now slide your butt down.
Yes, ma'am.
Slide your butt down. We're gonna sit.
She don't look familiar.
I thought I saw her.
Okay, keep covered up. Okay.
I can't swear.
Sit on your butt. Let's take your feet out from under you so we're not showing everybody your glory. There we go.
Yesterday
when I was at her mowing grass. Don't remember where.
I really.
Who's your landlord, ma'am? Who's your landlord?
His name is. Can I grab my paper?
No, that's okay. We just you don't know the name by heart. Where do you pay your rent?
I pay my rent every month.
I know. So where?
Hallmark Adams.
Okay, so she stays at one of the Adams.
Always.
So she stays around here somewhere.
Every single month. Every single
Have you ever
month.
seen the guy that mows the grass out here?
Yes, sir. Every Monday.
Good dude from over here.
I'm trying to tell you.
A couple of sketchy helpers.
I'm trying to. He cussed the hell out of my yard.
About him.
I don't hang out with anybody but myself,
Okay.
and that's the truth.
No.
Do you live with anybody?
No,
Just you?
my kids and my husband.
Where are they at?
Yeah, where's your husband and your kids?
My husband is in jail. He's in there for 2 more months.
Who has your kids
Me,
What's your husband's name?
right now?
I do.
What's your husband's name?
His name is Zachary.
Are those your clothes in there?
Yes, sir. That's right.
That's your blue jeans or your shorts? Those your shorts?
That's right.
Are those your shorts?
That's right.
Okay. Is your shirt in there as well?
Yes, sir. 100%.
You say you don't know her?
No, this is a random girl.
Where were you at?
I was in the kitchen getting cheese, and then I seen somebody trying to shake the door open. And I'm like, well, who is it? She started counting, and then she went to the sliding glass door.
Okay.
Was trying to get in that way, and then she couldn't get in there. She broke the pots, and then I don't know what she used to break the window right here. Oh yeah, I'm fine. No, because I went in my room.
What you got?
Cheese.
Jeez.
And then I went in my bedroom and locked the door and pushed the dresser behind it. And then I seen y'all ride by because there's no real markers out here. So I just climbed out the window.
That's fine. So she came in with no clothes on?
I thought she had on clothes because I seen.
So she had clothes on?
Wait a minute. I thought she had on clothes because I seen something covering her up.
Okay.
Now I didn't stay to look when she got into the
course.
apartment because she was breaking the window. I just went in my room.
I grabbed the blanket off the floor.
That must be hers because that's not mine.
The blanket. I don't smell anything.
Like definitely intoxicated.
She's on something, but I don't know. I don't smell anything.
Not completing the drug abuse course, so I'm thinking that
She's on something.
Yeah.
I don't use drugs. I do use alcohol from time to time.
She made her way to
Yes, sir.
and broke it in.
Sit down. Sit down.
Now,
Stay seated.
so like I say, nope. Besides alcohol, for my kids, nothing. I can prove.
Is that your bra?
No. Maybe what does he see?
It's brown.
I don't see it. I will prove anything that you need, sir.
Okay, what color is your shirt?
Pink.
Pink.
Just the same as my daughter's. She's my life. I'll be, sir, anything. I ask that
Cover yourself.
as an addict,
Yes, cover your.
just give some love to an addict, okay?
What kind of addict?
A recovering addict.
What kind of recovery? What were you on?
My friend Jeremy loves me as a woman who has recovered from addiction.
What kind of addiction?
Kind of addiction that would eat you up.
Okay.
The kind of addiction that would tell you to treat your fucking kids wrong. I just want to be drug free, okay, from my kid. I just want to be drug free from my kid.
She didn't have a shirt. You were just wearing the shorts and that blanket?
That's right, sir.
Okay.
Why are you here? Why are you at this apartment?
I'm fucking scared.
You were scared. What were you
And I
scared
love
of?
my boys. Because those boys, they were stabbed, they were hung.
What were you scared of?
My own home.
You were scared of your own home.
Do you have any children?
No, sir. Two of my own.
What's your drug of choice? What do you take? What do you do?
Medical marijuana, sir.
That's it?
I got a card that proves it. Can I have the shirt that smokes marijuana, please? Colored marijuana. I'm not leaving without a statement, sir. I don't want him to feel left out.
So, your kids.
Yes, sir.
Where are they at
Everything is
right now?
very biologically stated proof.
Okay. Where are your children at right now?
And every bit of sense in my favor, sir. But they're in his too.
Where are your children?
Right here behind me, sir. I would
No,
take a
they're
bullet
not.
for my children.
They're not behind you.
They would take it. I would take a bullet for my children, sir.
Yeah, you keep uncovering yourself.
I'm sorry. I am an American woman, and I am terrified, sir. Please do not take this man.
I understand that.
He is not a bad man. Let me tell you how many times he come outside.
What man?
He tells me to put my fucking cig off, smoke up later. Smoke up later.
Do not take what man?
This man here.
Okay.
He's not a bad man.
Your kids, where are they?
They smoke every hour, which I am not inclined to.
What have you taken tonight?
Only what I'm produced to, sir.
What have you taken tonight?
Only what I am produced to, sir.
Only I need to know because when EMS
Sir,
gets here, they
I'm
need to know how to treat you.
I produce medication.
Okay.
I do not take or do anything that my children cannot be around.
But you talked about addiction a while ago.
I did. And I'm a grown-ass woman who's talking to true-ass men who have saved men's of life from addiction. You saved me from.
So what is your addiction to what? To what drug?
Being home. Do you know how hard it is? Do you fucking know how hard it is to see these moms? These moms.
I understand.
I don't. You can look at my hands, sir. They are bleeding. I do not abuse.
Okay.
I would like to just get in this cop car, please, and go home to my children. Please.
Well, your kids, who are they home with?
Me.
No, you are not at your home.
I currently am.
This is not your home. This is somebody else's home
Yeah,
that you broke a window and came into.
no.
Okay.
Sir, I promise you, this is my home. This is my home 100%. I can provide you legal proof.
This is not your home.
This is my home, sir.
Your
I can
home
provide you legal proof
is two
that
houses
this is
that
my
way.
home. No, sir. This is my home.
It's the same apartment
I
number.
have legal papers, sir.
It's the same apartment number, but the
Legal
wrong
papers,
address.
sir, that
Okay.
provide this is my home.
Okay.
I will take anybody that I love and know home, safe. Before they drink and drive, before they go anywhere and drive, I will
Cover
not
her
let them
back
go
up.
home and drive. I will not let them hurt themselves and drive.
She had a pair of pants and the blanket. We already
They
pulled the
can't
pants
go
off.
home and drive, sir. That's what gets me.
Find a shirt.
Don't fucking drink and drive. Don't
From what it
drink and
sounds
drive.
like, she just had the blanket and the pants.
Don't
Was
drink.
that her blanket?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I apologize, but don't drink and drive. Please.
We understand
Don't
that. We
fucking
won't.
drink and drive, dude. I'll go to my fucking limits.
Or go-
Don't you fucking drink and drive, okay? I've lost people.
Calm down.
Excuse me.
We're gonna bring her out there.
Seriously, please just cover me.
Okay. We're gonna walk you over to EMS.
No, I will not lie. I am so tired of being the white publicist. Sure.
Let's just keep walking.
Right now, we need to get you checked out, okay? Can you let EMS look you over
Yes,
and
sir.
check you out?
I really can.
She said that's the only thing she knows.
Like I said, don't leave me behind.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any type of mental illness?
Yes, sir.
What have you been diagnosed with?
Please call my mother,
Okay. Who's your mom?
Amy.
Amy.
That's right. You guys have a good night.
Later, officers arrested Haley Blunt. She was charged with burglary, criminal mischief. For more cases like this, hit subscribe.